We all keep trading, but when a trade really gives us big money, we'll be amazed the way the stock has moved up. Now, those stocks have something in common. One of the common thing what we see in the amazing movement of a particular stock is the fundamental performance, because the stock price is a reflection of the fundamental performance of a particular company. Now, when we look at the trade desk TTD in the last 5 years, you'd be amazed the way the earnings per share, the revenue, net profit, the stock price, and the free cash flows the company has generated are really amazing. Let us see the growth. If we see the earnings per share, the company has been performing at 65% compounding growth. It's no less than an amazing performance. It's a mind-boggling performance of the stock, and it's been consistently growing. Even if you see the revenue growth, it's compounding at 49%. All these data when I see on macrotrends.net about the fundamental performance, these growths are really amazing. The net profit, 48.5% compounding growth. Now, when you see the stock price, it's growing at 72.9% compounding. We keep talking about Tesla, we keep talking about Amazon, fine. But stock like Trade Desk is no less. The way it's growing is really amazing. The compounding growth, it's not even year on year growth, it's compounding growth at 72.9% growth on the stock price. Now, if you could see the cash flows, it's grown in the last 5 years at a compounding of 236%. So the company is growing excellently well, but the interest is also very huge among the traders and investors. Now, if you could see in the last 2 years, when I see the data, whenever the stock corrected, the trade desk stock price corrected, it's corrected 39% in 2018, 36% in 2019, 25% in middle of 2019, and again in 2020 during pandemic it corrected around 58%, and in between in end of 2020 it corrected 21%, and in 2021 after the split the stock has corrected 51%. So any correction of 25 to 40 or 50% looks like an opportunity to buy such a stock. No doubt the stock is really making an excellent move of almost 72% compounding year on year. There will be definitely huge price reactions and actions. Amazing stocks will have amazing movements, but overall that amazing move will be on the upper side. Because there is a huge amazing movement on the upper side, the profit booking and the corrections also will be violent and aggressive. Such stocks can be bought whenever they react about 20 to 30 or 40% lower, not worrying much about the future of this particular stock, because the performance seems to be very good unless and until there is any bad news coming out in this particular company. Any correction of 25 to 30 or 40% can be good. Traders, it's going to be a fun time for you all, because the stock price movements are not going to be small, they're going to be very big. Even with small investments one can keep making decent returns, because the moves are going to be violent and aggressive. So for all fun lovers or want adventure, look at those stocks where the fundamentals are aggressive, the cash flows, the earnings, the profits, you can be assured of action in the stock also. Hope it really gives fun and adventurous and happiness when we trade such things whenever they correct, and use the technicals, use the chart analysis to get more precise entry and enjoy good trades. Thank you.